Aside from Comstock joining the Russell Microcap Index, its subsidiary, Comstock Metals has formed a strategic partnership with Virtus Renewables Service Group, a provider of comprehensive renewable energy solutions. This partnership aims to develop and deliver comprehensive recycling, decommissioning, and logistics solutions tailored to the specific needs of the renewable energy markets. The collaboration ensures a consistent, complete, and reliable zero-landfill recycling solution for all solar panels and related components. Comstock Metals is the first solar panel recycling company in North America to be certified to the R2v3 Rios Responsible Recycling Standard, and this partnership leverages the strengths of both innovators to create comprehensive and environmentally conscious solutions for renewable energy clients across the United States. According to Dr. Fortunato Villamagna, president of Comstock Metals, the partnership reinforces the mutual commitment to responsible environmental stewardship and integrates industry-leading recycling solutions that ensure end-of-life solar assets are managed responsibly and sustainably. Corrado de Gasperis, executive chairman and CEO of Comstock Incorporated, stated that this partnership is another significant milestone in the company's mission to deliver innovative and sustainable recycling practices across the renewable energy supply chain. Virtus Renewables CEO Bothestad expressed excitement about the partnership, highlighting that it enables the combination of Virtus's end-to-end renewable energy service expertise with Comstock's industry-leading zero-landfill recycling capabilities. The partnership between Comstock Metals and Virtus Renewables is expected to address critical gaps in the solar panel recycling industry and pave the way for robust and sustainable solutions. Virtus Renewables is a leading provider of renewable energy solutions, offering operations, project management, and maintenance services for solar and battery storage projects. Comstock Metals also received unanimous approval for a conditional use permit (CUP) from the Lyon County, Nevada Board of County Commissioners for expanded material storage of solar panels on leased property in Silver Springs, Nevada. This permit enables Comstock Metals to expand its storage capacity for end-of-life solar panels, providing a crucial buffer for the logistics associated with the company's first industry-scale solar panel recycling facility in the region. The expanded storage capacity allows Comstock Metals to efficiently manage and process large quantities of end-of-life solar panels, delivering a 100% closed-loop, zero-landfill solution that sets a new standard for solar panel recycling. According to Corrado de Gasperis, executive chairman and CEO of Comstock Incorporated, the company has seen robust market demand for its services after demonstrating its ability to recycle and reuse 100% of the recycled materials and receiving accredited third-party auditor certification. The Silver Springs facility is strategically located to serve the rapidly expanding solar industry in the western United States, and with the capacity to store and process large volumes of solar panels, Comstock Metals is poised to lead the solar panel recycling sector. This development contributes to the reduction of landfilled electronic waste and recovery of valuable materials. Dr. Fortunato Villamagna, president of Comstock Metals, stated that the company's first industry-scale facility, targeting 100,000 tons per year of waste solar panel processing capacity, is in the latter stages of permitting and expected to commence commissioning in the first quarter of 2026. The company will begin ordering equipment this summer. The company has demonstrated panel processing with proprietary thermal methods, producing 100% commodity-ready products, and all parts of the panel, including glass, aluminum, and fines, are fully recycled. Comstock Inc. also announced an amendment to its Membership Interest Purchase Agreement, MIPA, with McKay Precious Metals Incorporated to sell 100% of its northernmost patented and unpatented mining claims, mineral exploration rights, and town lots, as well as its 25% issued and outstanding membership interest in Pellon LLC. The amended agreement increases the aggregate purchase price to $2.95 million, which is an increase from the previous $2.75 million in both cash and stock. This effectively increases the cash component of the transaction by $1.2 million. Comstock has already received $1 million in cash for this transaction, and the remaining $1.95 million is due through a series of payments in June and July, with the final payment ending on or before August 30th, 2025. Additionally, the amendment includes a provision where McKay will transfer approximately 300 acres of patented and unpatented mining properties in Lyon County to Comstock. These properties are adjacent to and expand the footprint of Comstock's Dayton Consolidated and Spring Valley mineral claims and lands, and will be transferred for no additional consideration. This transaction is part of a larger agreement that began with a mineral exploration and mining lease agreement, McKay Lease, between Comstock and McKay, executed on June 30, 2023. The McKay lease was terminated on December 18, 2024, in favor of the MIPA. Since June 30, 2023, Comstock has recognized revenue of $3.77 million in initial and ongoing lease payments and reimbursed expenses. The company will receive the final $0.25 million in cash from these revenues, bringing the total consideration from the previous lease and subsequent sale to over $6.7 million. According to Corrado de Gasperis, Comstock's executive chairman and CEO, the transaction is extremely positive for the company. The northern targets, which include the Gold Hill and Occidental LODE claim groups in Story County, Nevada, were not a key part of Comstock's district-wide development plans. The company has prioritized the exploration and development of the central and southern parts of the district. With the sale of the northern targets and the acquisition of the 300 acres in Lyon County, Comstock is well positioned to advance its SK 1300 compliant Dayton and permitted Lucerne resources and expand its gold and silver resource potential. Comstock is aiming to become a major U.S. silver producer, leveraging its existing resources and growing solar recycling silver resources. The company has millions of ounces of resources already quantified in its technical reports, and its solar recycling silver resources are continually growing. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.